2015, year of my favorite film, Back to the Future. I love Back to the Future. It's one of my favorite films. I am a nerd, obviously. Look at that. Look at all that. And that. Look at all of this. Look, my computer. So, I have no idea what I'm gonna use for this video. I'm vlogging, of course. And I don't know what to do. It's been ages since I've put this video up. And this is my mouse. It's shaped like a car. Sorry. Been watching Jurassic Park too much. Well, it's Back to the Future, but I have something to show you. Yeah, this is the Back to the Future car. Somebody sent me the Back to the Future car. Who sent me the Back to the Future car? Vroom, vroom. Hold on. Ding, 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 ding. Alright, so this is the, whoever sent me this, thank you. You know I'm a Back to the Future fan. One of them. Yeah, it is in bad condition. I can't live with that. Doors keep closing. I can't actually see inside the time circuit because I have the diamond-like version of this and it has all the sounds. I used to have one like this, but mine broke in like less than a day. But thanks for giving me this one. Oh, I really want another one of these. You know that, don't you? Okay, so the next fan mail I'm excited about because look what somebody gave me. They gave me Homer Simpson, Scratchy, Bart Simpson. I need to stop marking that. Lisa Simpson. Wickham, Wickham, Wickham. Millhouse with his Cyclops. It's the other way around. Plus I'm recording on my iPod. I do vlogs on my iPod. I use my camera to do gaming videos. So I vlog using my iPod because I can upload videos from my iPod 5 as well. But yeah, so thanks for sending me that. He's called Boo Woo Chaka Woo Woo. Well, thank you, Boo Woo Chaka Woo Woo. What did I just drop? I just dropped something. Oh no! He's dead. Oh no, I dropped him just remote. Don't worry, I got it back. He's good. No. Thank you. I'm actually surprised about that. Some of the figures I don't have. Oh my gosh. You guys blew my mind. You gave me, you know I'm a fan of Back to the Future, but you also know I'm a fan of Doctor Who. And you've given me these. Now, how nice are you? That is just so... humiliating. I don't know why, it just is, man. It's the darters. I had my camera upside down. Somebody also sent me. Back to the Future. Watch this. Roads, where we're going, we don't need roads. I messed that up real bad, but there you go. They only sent me the car, they didn't send me the figures though. Look at the time circuits, man. Look at the time circuits. Ah! There goes the Mr. Fusion. Oh, wait. Oh, whoever made this, I'm sorry. I haven't broken it at all. So the one of these, hold on. Oh look, the plutonium thingy. Yeah. Ta-da! Put it back together. Right, there we go. Fantastic. Now, I don't know much about the game, but somebody sent me this Assassin's Creed figure. It's a collector's edition. I have to tell you, I'm not a collector, but I'm putting this on my special shelf for good. Look at the detail on him, man. I forgot his name. Oh, what's his name? I don't know. I forgot his name, but thank you, whoever got me this. Amazing. Bang. Don't stab me in the mouth, man. Well, thank you anyway. I'm not saying this is a bad toy. I really like it. Now, the last thing. I saved the best to last. I cannot bring it over here, but I can take you. Now, I wanted this for ages, man. You know, I've wanted what you're about to see for ages now. Build the 10th Doctor's TARDIS playset. Wow. And it does actually work like. Look. Ready. Oh, by the way, it didn't come without this new background here. I just made it. Look at that. Look at that awesomeness. Oh, that's it. No, that's just amazing. No, just no, no. Even I. Have a TARDIS. I'll show you my other one. This is the inside of my TARDIS, which I worked on. That's my custom bat cave. Oh, that's the Vampire Castle. I did a review with that. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can go look at that. It's on YouTube. Just talking Rob Lego Dude, my channel, personally. You will find it. And I posted that like in 2012. That was my very first video that I posted. I posted a review of this, which is the Back to the Future Part 2 Dom Select DeLorean. I posted it earlier today, and I'm just doing this one for fun. So this isn't actually a mail video. It's just a vlog. It's just a freaking vlog, man. It's just a freaking vlog. It's a freaking vlog. Okay, so I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna post more videos soon, more vlogs. I'm gonna post some more reviews, some Lego reviews. Right, see you later. Bye.